Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing both surfaces. Clean thoroughly with isopropyl alcohol and let them dry so the adhesive can bond, not slide. Once done, scuff both areas with 120-220 grit sandpaper to increase surface area and adhesion. This is why waterproof formulas work best on roughened surfaces. Make sure to mask surrounding areas to prevent mess and have your applicator, gloves, and clamps at hand so you can move straight into adhesive application without interruption. Now apply the waterproof adhesive following package directions. Lay a 1-2 mm bead for narrow joins or a 0.5 1 mm film for planar surfaces so cure chemistry can act properly. You should press parts together with steady, even force. This squeezes out trapped air and ensures intimate contact. Once aligned, secure with clamps or weights to maintain pressure and prevent shifting. If squeeze-out appears, remove excess right away with a solvent-safe wipe to avoid curing mess on visible areas. Finish by letting the adhesive cure fully under the recommended temperature and humidity. Many waterproof adhesives reach handling strength in 24-72 hours, but full properties may take longer. Once cured, trim or sand excess for a neat edge and apply a thin sealant coat if you need extra water protection. If the bond underperforms, make sure to clean both surfaces again, re-roughen, and choose an adhesive specifically rated for your materials. This troubleshooting step fixes most failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.